one water park. We're not the squad, we have two water parks. But we are vlogging at 3 water parks. So, come and splash with me as we compare Disney's Typhoon Lagoon water park and Universal's Volcano Bay. So, theming for Blizzard Beach is like you're at a ski resort. Theming for Typhoon Lagoon is like a typhoon has hit this area. It is kind of, I would say it's very Caribbean-ish. The theming for Volcano Bay is South Pacific. Everywhere there are tikis, there are waterfalls, they're just so beautiful. It's lush, palm trees, Hawaiian music. So many slides here. In my personal opinion, it wins for slides. This is me waiting for a slide at Blizzard Beach. Here's me waiting for a slide at Typhoon Lagoon. This is how I wait in line in Volcano Bay. Oh. This is me waiting for a slide at Blizzard Beach. Here's me waiting for a slide at Typhoon Lagoon. Taking forever. Waiting in line at Volcano Bay. It is time to go on my water slide. So this is how you wait for a line at Volcano Bay. When you first enter the park, you are going to get a bracelet, which is called a TapuTapu. This is your virtual wait time. So, for example, I want to go on the attraction called Oh No, Oh No Yeah. So to get myself into the line, I TapuTapu just like this, and I have 55 minutes. For thrills, this is kind of like their only thrill around here. And it's not that bad. It's not that bad because I do this one. Volcano Bay has 3 thrill slides. They all 3 are trapdoor slides. So basically what you do is you step into a capsule, and then what happens is that at any point the trapdoor can just open out and fall in front of you, and you go right down the slide, and it's super intense. They are the best one, Volcano Bay, for thrills. We're now going to be doing the lazy rivers. Blizzard Beach is a really nice lazy river. It's very snow themed. So beautiful and relaxing. One of the lazy rivers, Typhoon Lagoon, is my favorite. It is just so beautiful. Volcano Bay's lazy river is my 3rd favorite lazy river out of the 3 water parks. The reason why is it is the shortest. beaches here, in my opinion, are on a little bit of the small side. I feel like this is not as big of a beach. So my opinions for the Typhoon Lagoon beach is I feel it could be a little bit bigger. To here, here's the second area over there. And yes, it does look like it's a big area, but I feel like they could have more chairs. I had a kind of a hard time finding a chair today. Volcano Bay, their beach is huge. So many chairs throughout the whole beach. It goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. Volcano Bay has the best beach. It doesn't come close to the other two. Have the best lounge chairs here. They're so comfortable. In my personal opinion, Typhoon Lagoon has the best wave pool. I'm in the picture wave. See you later. To me, Blizzard Beach and Volcano Bay are tied for wave pools. They're about the same size, the same exam experience. So it's up to you which one you like better. So if you prefer tubes, or if you prefer beautiful volcanoes. Their pool areas, in my personal reference, beat the other two water parks. So the kiddie area over there, you have to be 40 inches and under to play there. So in my opinion, it is very, very kiddie. So if you do have older children that are like 6 and above, I would recommend the other water parks over this one. If you want that kids zone, it is very, very for children under 5. So I would say this is probably the weakest kids zone out of the 3. So when you do need to pick, if that is a preference, I would pick the other 2. Personally recommend out of the 3 water parks to do Blizzard Beach. I would rank this second for kid zones. Water is life. Life is joy. Just look at that sunset, you guys. We are done with our day at Volcano Bay. The drawback is to going to Volcano Bay is to get to the parking garage, you have to take a bus. It's like a 5-minute bus ride, not even. However, it is a little bit of pain though, because you can't just get to your car, and sometimes you have to wait on the bus for like a good 5 to 10 minutes to gather people. So it can be a little bit annoying. We are going to end our day here. Thank you so much again for watching. If you haven't yet, I would absolutely love if you can subscribe to my channel. Just go down below and hit that subscribe button. If you could right by the subscribe button, there's the notification bell. If you can go ahead and smash that notification bell. That would be spectacular. It will let you know when I have a new vlog posted and when I do the live stream. Also, if you could like this video, that would help the channel out a lot. And if you can share it with your friends and family, that would just be so great. Comment below what your favorite water park is. My favorite of the 3 water parks is, drum roll please, Volcano Bay. The reason why that Volcano Bay is my favorite water park, even though it is right off of I-4 and you have to take a bus to actually get here, it is my favorite because I just love the feel here. I love the vibe. It is such a relaxing vibe. I absolutely love the food. Just everywhere is just, the seating is nice. The water slides are just the best here. They have the most water slides. The food is just so awesome. It's my favorite community. I love that South Pacific feel. It's just such a nice vibe. The reason why I can just relax and chill out is because of those virtual wait times. They have the best wait time system here. Not having to wait in line is just so nice here.